Yes, guys, hope you guys are well. So, how to design LinkedIn post. Right, how to design a LinkedIn post. Let's go. So, basically, look, get onto Canva. Canva's the best, probably the best tool, website, software to use really to create anything quickly. It really is the best. I use it for everything, all my social media posts, everything. So, look, let's click on social media on the side and look at it, guys. Look, Instagram post, Instagram story, Instagram reel, Facebook post. It's got literally everything you need. You got LinkedIn, Twitter post. It's there to create everything for you. I'm just gonna type in LinkedIn post. Okay, so look, they got all kinds, business LinkedIn post, all sorts. Okay, LinkedIn post. Just type at the top, easy, easy, easy. LinkedIn post, click that. And, look, literally, they will just bring up all sorts of LinkedIn post, types. And you can get specific because obviously, LinkedIn is a lot about businesses and hiring people. So hence why you got all these different posts to do with hiring. You can see it. We're hiring. But what's really nice is, you customize this. If you have a business on LinkedIn or you just want to network, and literally this is an amazing tool to create fantastically well designed great graphics posts, it could be anything. So let's just click on this one, for example. My top tips for working from home post, right? Customize it. I mean, it's amazing. This Canva's amazing. You can try it out. You can click the link in my description. You can try it for free. For the pro version, you can try it out also. It's really good. I mean, the free version is fine enough, fair is good enough, but the pro version is obviously even better. But look, let's say you like a post like this, a LinkedIn post. My top tips for working home. So look, you want to get rid of the image, you can get rid of that. You can go to elements. You can say, I don't know, a guy with a suit. Let's say suit. See what you get with the suit image. Man in suit. Let's just say it's a man in suit, woman in business clothing, whatever it is that you want to choose. Now you know it's a pro version when it says pro there, but let's say you click on that one and let's say you like that image. Let's just say you like the image. Obviously, it doesn't have to be a guy. Could be a female. But let's just say it's a guy in a suit that you want for this image. Um, And actually, let's just say you don't want this one, just a bit more subtle, right? You've got so many images here, you just want to make it like a little bit subtle. You don't want a face or anything on it, just like a background. So you can actually stretch it out and take the whole image, to be fair. Take the whole space. There you go. Instead of my top tips for working from home, my top tips for working in the office, because it looks like more of an office post. In the office, because it's a slightly different thing. Whoops, sorry. There you go. Look, that's it. I haven't even done much, but look, I'm just showing you an example how to customize it. Um, we are hiring. Let me just do something like we are hiring. Let's see. Yeah, so you can just get anything really. You could have a little banner. You could have a little design on the side and make it into a different color. Let's just say you want to just add something in the background, so you're saying like you're hiring, but at the same time you're trying to give some tips as well at the same time. So almost like two things going on. And then you can share it easily. So you can actually, look, you got LinkedIn page, you can go share on social. And you've got LinkedIn, you can take it straight to your LinkedIn page or profile easily, or you can just download it, and then keep it and then do whatever you want with it. Let's say you want to download it, click download, easy, there you go. And obviously this is your customized in Canva LinkedIn post. There you go, it's done. Where is it? There it is. Really nice, really crisp, really professional looking. It looks amazing, guys. So guys, if you ever want to do your social media posts, your LinkedIn posts, you really want them to be nice, just check out Canva. Like I said, check out my link in the description, have a go. It's really fun to use, really easy, really intuitive. Like I said, you got fantastic templates and you can just check them out. So guys, if you found value in this video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell for more videos like this. Take care, I'll see you on the next one.